Regards, my name is Maria Sanchez. Then I will make a brief description of my family and me of the things we like and the ones we dislike. To me, I like to dance. I love to travel. I like to play with my cat. I like to go out to eat ice cream with my friends. I enjoy my vacation. I want to know France. I dislike to Auyama. I dislike to cucumber. I dislike to horror movies. I dislike waiting in a hospital. My mother loves cook. She likes milking the cows. My mom dislikes neighbor smoke. She loves to her together with her family. My father prefers mascots. My father loves agriculture. My father likes to ride a horse. He dislikes to travel alone. My father takes care of the farm. My brother works in Bogota, Colombia. He loves to travel. He dislikes vehicular congestion and he dislikes fresh fruits. Thank you very much.